last class we had already learned about how to do single crochet. Today we are going to learn about how to do single crochet together. We are doing in same way, but there is little difference. So let's get started. So as usual, I am going to take slip knot. Now next I am going to take chain, the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have 10 chains, 10 foundation chain. Next we are going to take single crochet. Insert the hook through this very next chain, pull the working yarn through this chain. Now we have 2 loops on hook. Again we are going to pull the working yarn and pull this working yarn through these 2 loops. Now we get single crochet. So let us continue. Insert the hook, pull the working yarn, 2 loops on hook. Again we are going to pull the working yarn through these 2 loops. Single crochet is ready. Again insert the hook and pull the working yarn through these 2 loops. Again insert the hook, we get single crochet. Insert the hook and pull the working yarn through this chain. Now we have 2 loops on this hook. Again pulling the working yarn through these 2 loops, we get single crochet. It's so easy to do. So finish it. Now we are entering to our topic, that is how to do single crochet together. Now turn in this way and again we are going to insert the hook into this very next chain and pull the working yarn. Now we have 2 loops on this hook like single crochet. Again we are going to insert the hook on this very next yarn and pull the working yarn through this chain. Now we have 3 loops on this hook. Next we are going to pull the working yarn through these 3 loops. Now the single crochet together stitch is ready. Again insert the hook through next chain and pull the working yarn, 2 loops. Again insert the hook through this next second chain and pull the working yarn through this chain. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again we are going to pull the working yarn through these 3 loops. Now we get second single crochet together stitch. Again we are going to do insert hook on very next chain and pull the working yarn. Now we get 2 loops on our hook, and again we are going to insert the hook on next chain and pull the working yarn. As usual, we get 3 loops on our hook. Now we are going to pull the working yarn through these 3 loops. Now we get third single crochet together stitch. Again, insert the hook, pull the working yarn, 2 loops are here. Again, once more, again, pull the working yarn through this chain and pull the working yarn through these 3 loops. We get single crochet together stitches. I hope you all enjoyed my today's video. Today we learned about how to do single crochet together. Please do it because it will help you a lot. You can do the mat, table runners, tea casters, pillow covers, the edgings of the pillow covers. You can do it by using these stitches, single crochet and single crochet together. So please do it. If you have any doubt or if you want to know more, please click the link provided in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. So keep watching. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, share, like and enable the notification bell. So stay tuned. Bye from Nickeys Horizon.